In this video, we listed the 9 best working tools for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: DeWalt Metal Shear Cutter Drill Attachment. The DeWalt Metal Shear Cutter Drill Attachment, DeWalt, is an innovative tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need efficient, precise metal cutting capabilities. This impact-ready attachment is crafted to transform any compatible power drill into a high-performing metal shear capable of cutting 18GA material with ease. Key features of this attachment include a 360-degree pivoting head, allowing for superior maneuverability and control when working in tight or complex spaces. Its robust yellow and black construction matches DeWalt's signature durable design, making it ideal for tough job sites. The attachment provides clean, accurate cuts and is versatile enough for various applications, such as sheet metal, aluminum, and other common metals. Product 2. Product name: Milescraft 1603 Knee Blades. The Milescraft 1603 knee blades are durable, heavy-duty knee pads designed to enhance comfort and mobility during tasks that require prolonged kneeling. These knee pads feature 3 caster wheels on each pad, providing a full 360 degrees turning capability that allows users to move smoothly across various surfaces without needing to lift their knees. This feature is particularly useful for DIY enthusiasts, contractors, or anyone working on flooring, painting, or gardening projects. The Milescraft 1603 knee blades also come with gel cushions that deliver extra comfort and support, reducing strain on the knees during extended use. The unisex, one-size design ensures they fit most adults comfortably. With their bright yellow color, these knee pads are both highly visible and easy to locate among tools and equipment. Product 3. Product name: Arrow HT50 Heavy Duty Hammer Tacker. The Arrow HT50 Heavy Duty Hammer Tacker is a high-performance manual stapler designed for efficiency and ease of use in professional and heavy-duty applications. Crafted with a chrome steel body, it offers durability and resilience against demanding conditions, making it ideal for tasks like roofing, insulation, and carpeting. The tool features a sure-grip handle for enhanced comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. One of its key advantages is its dual-capacity reload magazine, which allows for easy reloading and minimal downtime. It is compatible with 3 staple sizes, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2, offering versatility for various materials and project requirements. Product 4. Product name: CMTool Adjustable Ratchet Wrench. The CMTool adjustable ratchet wrench is a versatile hand tool designed to adapt to various screw sizes, specifically ranging from 6mm to 22mm. This universal adjustable socket wrench is ideal for a range of tasks, from automotive repairs to general home maintenance. The ratcheting mechanism allows for efficient, continuous motion without needing to remove the wrench from the fastener, which saves time and effort, especially in tight spaces. The CMTool wrench set includes both small and large wrenches, making it a convenient kit for users needing flexibility for different project sizes. Its locking mechanism ensures a firm grip on screws, reducing the chance of slipping. Additionally, the wrench is equipped with a non-slip handle, providing a secure and comfortable grip, even during prolonged use or when working with greasy or oily materials. This tool is particularly suitable for those seeking a durable and easy-to-use adjustable ratchet wrench, blending practicality with ergonomic design for a more efficient and comfortable experience. Product 5. Product name: Grand PITSTOP Universal Wheel Chock. The Grand PITSTOP Universal Wheel Chock is a versatile and heavy-duty motorcycle stand for trailers designed to securely hold cruiser, sports, and dirt bikes in place during transport. This stand is ideal for motorcycle enthusiasts who frequently transport their bikes, providing a stable and secure mounting solution. With a fully adjustable design, it accommodates tire sizes from 13 to 26 inches, making it compatible with a wide range of motorcycles. This wheel chock is built for durability and convenience. It's both detachable and foldable, allowing for easy storage when not in use. This stand's versatility makes it suitable for different bike models and types, as well as for various trailer setups. It effectively reduces movement during transit, keeping bikes firmly in place, which is essential for preventing damage on rough roads or during long hauls. Product 6. Product name Cubit Square 1000 S Stainless Steel Cutouts. The Cubit Square 1000 S Stainless Steel Cutouts is a tool specifically designed for use in home improvement projects, particularly for electrical installations. Known as the Magnipol Cubit Outlet Square Slot Cutter, this accessory works with oscillating multitools to efficiently and precisely cut single-gang wall boxes in drywall. The tool's stainless steel construction ensures durability, while its purpose-built design helps users create clean and accurate cuts in wall panels, drywall, and other surfaces commonly encountered in residential or commercial spaces. For DIY enthusiasts or professionals in home improvement, this slot cutter streamlines the task of installing outlets or switch boxes by reducing the time and effort required compared to traditional methods. The Cubit Square 1000 S eliminates the need for measuring and marking, as it is designed to fit the exact dimensions of standard single-gang wall boxes. Its efficient operation reduces dust and debris, making it a practical addition to the toolkit of anyone handling electrical installation tasks in drywall or similar materials. Product 7. Product name Ladder Leveler. A ladder leveler is an essential tool designed for stabilizing ladders on uneven surfaces, enhancing safety and accessibility. This device, often referred to as a ladder tool extension, ladder leveling tool, or stair ladder, is particularly valuable when working on stairs, sloped grounds, or any irregular terrain where a traditional ladder would be unstable. The ladder leveler typically includes an adjustable, stable platform with a robust base that can be modified to fit various ladder types and adapt to diverse ground conditions. It's compatible with extension ladders and may feature non-slip materials to ensure a secure footing on surfaces like grass, concrete, gravel, or wood. Additionally, some models offer built-in storage, making it easy to organize essential tools during tasks, saving trips up and down the ladder. Product 8. Product name Roof Shingles. Roof shingles are a critical component of roofing systems, providing the top layer of protection against weather and enhancing the appearance of residential and commercial buildings. Available in various materials, such as asphalt, wood, metal, and composite, roof shingles shield underlying layers from UV radiation, wind, rain, and temperature fluctuations, which extends the lifespan of a roof. For effective shingle installation, maintenance, or replacement, specialized roofing tools and equipment are essential. These tools include Shingle Removal Tool, a tool used to lift and remove old or damaged shingles efficiently, simplifying the roof preparation for new installations. Pitch Hopper, a lightweight, sloped platform that allows roofers to work comfortably on steep pitches, increasing stability and safety during shingle installation or repairs. Shingle Nail Installer, a device designed for quick and secure fastening of shingles with roofing nails, ensuring a tight, waterproof seal. Product 9. Product name 3-Station Edge Roller Bender. The 3-Station Edge Roller Bender is a specialized tool designed for bending metal roofing materials with precision and efficiency. It features 3 stations that allow for flexible and varied bending operations on large sheets of metal. With a bending angle range of 0 to 90 degrees, this tool is highly versatile and can be adjusted to create bends from 5/8 to 4/16 to 102 mm in width. It is suitable for 29 to 22 gauge steel, making it ideal for a range of steel thicknesses commonly used in roofing and sheet metal applications. This edge roller bender is particularly useful for professionals in construction, roofing, and sheet metal fabrication, as it enables controlled and consistent bends on large pieces, streamlining the workflow. Its adjustable nature allows users to achieve precise, custom angles, making it a valuable addition to any setup that involves large-scale bending of sheet metal materials.